Hey guys, on today's, I'm going to be teaching you how to analyze, all right? So after this video, if you're a newbie, you'll learn how to analyze. You're not learn how to see the market in a different way, all right? So let's dive into the market and see what the market have for us. If you notice, if you're currently watching on this price, you notice that price started from here, and then this is an uptrend move, creating a high, created a low, created a high, created a low, created a high. So all you just have to keep monitoring is the lows that prices keep making, created a highs, and then you notice price came all the way, take out this low. This is telling you that price is actually heading back down. All you have to do is to just keep on selling with price. You notice price tracing back to this high, which it got broken, and then went back down all the way to this low. And then this is how price changed character. It came back to this high. I wasn't able to take down this low again and then make out this low. What happened? Price push all the way to this high, take out this high. Previously coming back to this low and then went back to this high again, gave us this impulsive move to the downward and then went back high to this particular zone. So your main focus here as a trader is to keep marking out the highs and the lows of price, which you are going to mark out here. If you mark out this level, you know that this is the highest level that price made here. Currently coming up to this high, you are seeing this as a high. Price came all the way to this high and trying to make a retracement. So all you have to do next again as a trader is to mark out this little low which the price created here, because this might be a very strong zone on the lower time frame. So you have to mark it in order for you to identify it very strongly on the lower time frame. So let's make our chart very neat. While analyzing, you need to keep your chart very, very neat so that you can be able to see what the price is actually saying. All right. So let's go down. You notice we'll go down to this is the low, another impulsive move. This is the lowest level that price got to before giving us this impulsive move to this high. So what I'll have to do next is marking out this lowest level that price created here. So what I'll have to do is to just pay attention, because you know why I mark out this low is because this is the high which price gave and then gave us this impulsive move. Then what happened? Price took out these highs and took out these main highs. This is when price traced on it and then started going. So why moving price is already on this particular zone. So what you have to do is to just keep on marking out the highs as price is swinging. All right. So I'll go down to my 4 hours time frame to see what the price is doing at the 4 hours time frame. Notice this is the low that we mark out from the daily time frame, giving us that this is a zone that price is actually coming up to. And if GBP is actually if GBP break out of this zone, let's say if GBP should break out of this low, if GBP should break out of this low days here, you notice and retrace on it, you notice price pushing all the way high. So price will be pushing all the way highward. So what you have to do as a trader is to pay attention and then watch what the price is actually doing. All right. So be very smart in understanding what the price is actually printing to you. So if price should give you this move, if price should, because this now is telling that GBP is actually selling back to this particular loan. So if price should come here, give you a retracement, and then actually break out, you will look actually break out of this high and then retrace back, because whenever price hits on the zone and went up, it will definitely come back to that zone to test it twice before continuously going back up. So, and if you were expecting this and then you sorry, I think. And let me share the price. Let me share it again so that we all can see what the price is actually doing. Well done. Okay. Right now we are back in the charts. I think the network went bad. So let me delete this. Uh, so what we are expecting now, eventually you didn't see that happen, and you eventually saw this happening in the chart, all you just have to do is to wait for price to retrace on this particular zone, and then you join the sellers. This is where you can join the sellers. All right. So this is how you analyze. Always wait for your structure highs and your structure lows before you able to join the sellers. Wait for structure low, which the price created, to get broken before you can be able to join the buyers or the sellers. So if we go down to the 1 hour time frame to actually see what the price is doing, it's telling you that price is actually selling back to this particular zone. So GBP is selling. All you have to just do is to join the sellers back to this particular zone, and then you keep on heading back up. All right. So if this zone is broken, shows you that price is actually heading back down. All you can do is to just join the buyers, the sellers. All right. So, and if you look at this now, you'll see that for those of us that are using trend line, you notice that our trend line, this is a trend line zone, given all that price is actually sloping down, telling you that this is a seller zone. All you can do is to just join the sellers and then keep on riding the market. All right. So same thing is applied to the 15 minutes time frame. You can go down to your 15 minutes time frame to secure entries. All right. So this is it. Don't forget to click the subscription button if you are new to my YouTube channel. All right. So hope you learned something from this video which I just made, right? So don't forget to share to your friends to also learn how to analyze, because most of us are finding it so difficult analyzing the markets and then following up our analysis. All right. So this is it. Take care and bye for now.